Hi, this is Jamie. Thanks for checking out my presentation, Let's Talk Trash, Reducing Food Waste and Making a Smaller Footprint in the World. For the approach, I looked at how to successfully implement a waste reduction plan within the community. So some things that I looked at here were creating opportunities for different levels of engagement to get people to start composting, providing information to help people become more resourceful with using food that they purchase, providing shopping lists and menu planning tools that encourage being more practical and wasting less. For the methods, I looked at peer coaching and learning communities. For peer coaching, I thought that neighborhood leaders that guided others with activities that were sharing information from the learning communities where they would serve as leaders to create dialogue and reflection and hopefully, as an end result, create a ripple down effect where they are extending information and helping others, but also hoping that maybe the people that they're working with would also get out there in the community and be neighborhood leaders as well to further that ripple down effect. For the learning communities, there were two areas I looked at, group and peer-to-peer. For our group, I thought that internships would be a great opportunity to have businesses get involved where they would have people learning firsthand on ways to reduce waste. Also, discussion groups, composting hands-on, and neighborhood competitions, because we all know that people like to compete about things. So for those that maybe need a little more excitement for the buy-in, this might be a good way to get them on board. For peer-to-peer, videos were an idea that I thought was good because for those that maybe cannot attend face-to-face, this would provide a way to get them involved. And for those that attended firsthand face-to-face, it would be a good way for them to get a refresher. And for the comment threads, it would just be another way to continue conversations on these learning activities. For the evaluation, I broke it down into a chart showing the 4 different levels. And for reaction, where the participants respond to the training, I felt that discussions face-to-face and online would be a good way to capture measurement. And for learning, the knowledge, skills, and attitude that result from the goals and objectives could be captured from a survey before and after so that you could see the change. For behavior, looking at the changes and application of learning that's been implemented, again, a survey before and after would be a good way to capture the measurement to see the change. And lastly, for the results, felt that the impacts from the change would be collected from data showing the behavior and learning surveys that would be good for immediate results, but as a longitudinal analysis of data captured throughout the community, it would be good to see the information prior to the project and then looking at it over a 3-year period. Thanks for watching.